This is a step-by-step instruction video for anyone who struggles with anxiety and panic attacks. Please save it for easy access and also send it to anyone you know who would benefit from listening to this video. Rationality is not going to work here. Your limbic system, which is your survival center, has hijacked your nervous system into a false alarm survival response. You have to hijack it back. No matter how strong your physical symptoms are, heart rate, breathing, dizziness, they will pass. It's simply your body preparing you for danger, which in this case is probably a false alarm. It will pass. Remember that. Don't fight it. Embrace it. Try to go with the flow of the panic attack. I know that's hard. You can do this. Here's how to hijack your nervous system back. First off, do a double inhale. So belly, chest, everything out. Do that 10 times. Belly, chest, everything out. Then, on the last breath, take a nice big deep breath into the belly and tense everything up. Now you can do this 2 or 3 times, but on the last one, shake everything out. Literally, just shake everything out. It's important to breathe in through the nose, down to the belly, and out through the nose and out through the mouth to trigger the parasympathetic nervous system that tells the brain you are safe. This helps re-engage your rational brain. Also helps to rebalance your oxygen and carbon dioxide levels, which could become out of balance when we're suffering from a panic attack. And as you're breathing out, I want you to say the words deeply inside your mind, false alarm. This is all a false alarm. You can add rubbing of your forearms. Nice and soothing, triggers more parasympathetic nerves. You can also add a mantra, calm, confident and in control, as you're breathing out. Some of my clients like to remind themselves there's no fucking tiger, they're not in danger. Whatever is your own preference. Another top tip is to shove your hands into ice cold water or your face. This slows down your heart rate. Chewing gum triggers the parasympathetic nervous system too. And what's really important after a panic attack is some nourishing self-care to help your nervous system get back online.